Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. President, may I have your permission to begin the proceedings of the special investiture ceremony?
Please.
Thank you. I request Mufti Ihsanullah Kakar for recitation from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل اللهم مالك الملك تؤتي الملك من تشاء وتنزع الملك ممن تشاء وتعز من تشاء وتذل من تشاء بيدك الخير إنك على كل شيء قدير تولج الليل في النهار وتولج النهار في الليل وتخرج الحي من الميت وتخرج الميت من الحي وترزق من تشاء بغير حساب صدق الله العظيم.
Honorable President, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Honorable Prime Minister, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, respectable ministers, Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, Services Chiefs, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have gathered here to acknowledge and honor the profound contributions for Pakistan and the Pakistan Armed Forces by His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Defense Minister, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Indeed, it is our profound privilege to have all the dignitaries from our brotherly country on this historic day of 23rd March, the day revered and remembered as the Yom-e-Pakistan. His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Defense Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, is well known for his extraordinary acts of professionalism, outstanding skills of statesmanship, and ceaseless efforts of supporting and implementing peace and stability in the region. His contributions in synchronizing national efforts for war against terrorism are commendable. His Royal Highness, the Crown Prince, and the Prime Minister, Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, envisions transforming the Pak-KSA relationship into an enduring strategic partnership that is destined to play an important role in the security and stability of the region and beyond. In pursuit of this vision, His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud has played a pivotal role in furtherance of relations and mutual cooperation with selfless devotion and dedication. His professional skills, knowledge, and leadership merits to be duly accredited for himself, his nation, and humanity at large. Your Royal Highness, we are grateful for your presence here on this auspicious occasion, despite your busy schedule in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Your efforts in strengthening bilateral ties and adding new chapters in the Pak-KSA relations will always be valued and remembered. Ladies and gentlemen, in recognition of the meritorious services for Pakistan and the people of Pakistan, His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud has been nominated for the highest civil award of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Mr. President, I seek your permission to now read out the citation of award for His Royal Highness. I shall now read out the citation. His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud has been the Defense Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia since September 2022. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia enjoy long-standing fraternal relations and military ties between both countries that play a fundamental role in further strengthening these relations. His Royal Highness has revitalized military relations through accelerated cooperation in defense production under his patronage. Out of many competing countries, His Royal Highness has given top priority to collaboration with Pakistan's defense industry. Under his leadership, military ties between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia have grown significantly in various domains. Confidence in the capabilities of Pakistan's defense industry in the form of joint ventures for localization of the Saudi defense industry under Saudi Vision 2030 speaks volumes about his gesture towards Pakistan. Such joint ventures will surely support Pakistan's economy through defense projects in addition to the localization of the Saudi defense industry. His Royal Highness has been a true friend of Pakistan, and the government and people of Pakistan deeply cherish the profound love and affection that he has always demonstrated for Pakistan and its people. His Royal Highness's steadfast support to Pakistan, especially through renewed defense production collaboration and continuous support on issues of vital concern, is a source of strength for the people and leadership of Pakistan, which will always be remembered. In recognition of his outstanding services in the field of services to Pakistan, the President, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, has been pleased to confer upon His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud the award of Nishan-e-Pakistan. I request His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud to come forward. Mr. President, may I request you to decorate the award of Nishan-e-Pakistan upon His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman.
Thank you, Mr. President. You did a really good job.